I get. Is it an animal? Sea animal? The basket. Look at. Wow. This is the sea animal. Clownfish. Clownfish is clownfish. This is a fish. Pufferfish. The pufferfish is a protect and an eggplant. Walrus. Clownfish is walrus. This is a seal. Whale. Mer's whale. This is humpback whale. This is the water. Crab. Most crab. This is beach in the water. Seal. The seals is the rocks and the seagulls. Pursuicans. Jellyfish. Electronic jellyfish. This is with the pink jellyfish. The colors. Green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is animals in the water. Intelligence. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark, this is a shark. The hammer shark is so cool. Whale. Some fishes, whales, water, this animal is sympathetic. Octopus. The octopus in the water is attracted towards sea. Green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is in the water as species. The sea turtle is a species. Bye bye kids, thanks for watching. Bye bye.